to the manholes that I want it to have, okay? This. Underneath regrade pipes, on the right hand side here, we have the storm analysis button. Now, if you have set that nodes file to the right place, this will open. If it won't open for you, that's what's wrong with it, okay? You need to make sure that nodes file is in the right place.
Does that apply also with our assignment?
What does what? It's my papa?
Will we have to do that for our assignment as well?
It'll only ever have to be done once on each of the computers. As long as the nodes file has been updated on the C drive, then you won't have any trouble. But if you go to do your assignment and you can't open this, then just make sure you put that nodes file back into the suite. Okay. So there's a whole lot of things we can do here under flood extents and dynamic settings. We can model and look at how overland flow is going to head down a hillside, but all we're going to do for this is we're just going to run a basic rational. So in this case, we're going to use Unitec standards, and they design for an average recurrence interval of 5 years. Okay, the big one here is the rainfall location file. This is where it's going to look for the intensities. So this is one of the files I gave you on Moodle. I'm going to click on my little yellow folder for more information, and I'm going to browse. Where did I put that? To Waitakere City Council.12D Hydro. Okay, everyone find that from Moodle? WCC.12D Hydro. I'll open that up in a second. Just under the rainfall method, go to your pull down arrow and click on IFD table. Okay, so the rainfall method is IFD table. Now if you come back up to the little yellow folder under our location file, I'm going to open that up so you can just see exactly what we're looking at. Okay, all this is that's very interesting because it. There we go. Okay, so you don't need to get in and do any editing to this. I've already done it for you. In the council standards, there'll be a graph which has rainfall intensities, and you just pick off your what event you're looking for, whether it's a 2, 5, 10 year, etc. Okay, so the intensities we can see across the top: 2 year, 5 year, 10 year. The duration is down the left in minutes. We're looking for 10-minute duration on a 5-year storm event. Okay. Now that's in the standards, or you can just write it down now. So in this case, we're going to a 5-year event, 10 minutes. The rainfall intensity per hour is 90 mils. Okay, so when we do our CIA, we know what the C is now. We'll set them all to 0.65. All of the equations are going to use 90 mils as the intensity, because that's what we're defining in the storm analysis dialog box. And the only variable will be the area, and that's defined under our catchment model. Okay?
Could you show us how to open that? How to get there?
Yep. That's just under this rainfall location file. I've just clicked on here and open. And if you have trouble with opening it, then just browse for it again and click on and click read. Okay, and I found that information under the intensity methods. We've specified on the front page there IFD table, so that's where I found it. Okay, so rainfall storm event type is minor. I'm not going to generate any plan results at the moment. We'll muck around with that afterwards. We're not going to consider bypass flows. What we are going to do though on the right hand side here up the top is we're going to ensure that the flow is less than the capacity flow for the pipe. Okay? So that if my flow is 146 litres per second and the pipe can only handle 118, then it will give us a bigger pipe. It's going to assign us a larger pipe. I want to modify the pipe inverts and I want to modify the pipe sizes. And then any information that's calculated when I run this is going to be put into SW Lines Hydrology or SW Lines Hydraulics report. Is everyone happy with what I've selected there? Just remember, this is a function. I can just keep hitting the button. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to click run. It's asking for a preferred pipes file. Again, pipes.pip I've given you under Moodle, so just select it. Better make sure there's something in it. Okay, it's just all it is I'm giving it a list of pipes to look for. It's not liking that pipes.pip. Oh, yeah, it's going to be one of those days, people. Alright, what we'll do is I'm going to, if we just take 10 minutes to have a break, I'm going to throw this out the window and my toys out of the cot.